guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Style with Tashvi. I am coming back with another video. So guys, this video name is making the kadha at home. So guys, I am making kadha, which is very essential for our health. It's boosting our immunity and it is very important to boost your immunity. You know that there's the coronavirus outside. Guys, it is very important to boost the coronavirus and boosting your immunity. Kadha helps to boosting our immunity, and guys, it is very important to have a strong immunity power. Guys, now let's get started to making the kadha. First, I am adding 1 glass of water in bowl. Guys, I am adding some jaggery, which is also known as gur in Hindi. Guys, I am adding elaichi powder, which is also known as the elaichi masala in Hindi. Guys, now I am adding some sweet neem leaves and some tulsi leaves, which is also known as meetha neem in Hindi and tulsi patta in Hindi. I am adding some tea masala, which is also known as the chai masala in Hindi. Guys, I am adding some oils and elaichi, which is also known as elaichi and long in Hindi. Guys, we are going to making this. So let's get started. Switch off the flame. Just take this spoon and just mix it. Be carefully. Guys, now you can see that our kadha is made. Our kadha is made. Now I am taking the sunsi and I am putting the kadha in my glass. Now I am taking my spoon and just mix it. Now I am drinking my kadha. It is so yummy and so tasty. It's not very tasty, but if you want to boost your immunity, then drink it. Guys, if you like my video, please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, bye. Love you all.